Sanook is a Thai word that loosely translates to fun. But it's not just leisurely fun. Sanook is the art of finding joy in every situation under the sun. And in Thailand, the best way to achieve Sanook is to be in the moment and experiencing everything hands-on.
Good morning guys! We're here in Samut, Songkhram. We're gonna get our hands dirty. We're here now in Don Hoi Lot and we're gonna farm for some razor clams. So let's go! Let me check. Is this salt?
Lime.
Lime salt.
Lime powder.
Lime powder.
Lime powder.
Can
No.
Okay guys, we're gonna hunt for some razor clams right now. I've got some lime powder and a bamboo stick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shove this into the sand or the mud, and the clam is gonna get irritated and it's gonna jump out, and we're gonna catch them by digging them out, put them here, so we have a good lunch later on. I feel my feet is going through some kind of mud therapy. It's so squishy. I'm just afraid if I'm going to step on some crabs or clams, but ow! Little crabs! Deep fry, some basil and chili and garlic. Ah! How come I get all crab but no clam? Come out! Come out! Come out! Oh!
Okay.
Yes! Wow! Yes! Gotcha! Yeah, one more! So we just finished hunting for some razor clams. It was too little, they just threw it back into the sea. So he's gonna make some fresh razor clams for us, where the professionals woke up in this morning to go get the bigger razor clams. Oh, and he added a whole bunch of fresh sweet basil. It smells good, it went right to my brain. And there we go, guys, look at that. Fresh catch of the day, razor clams. Here we go, with the chili of course. Oh, that's so fresh and so sweet. You guys can keep rolling, I'm just gonna eat this whole bowl.
After an eventful morning at the wetlands, I decide to experience a different kind of joy. One that's full of history and culture.
And now we have Khun Urai in this Benjarong village. She has been here for the past 30 years to make this place famous for their Benjarong painting. Right here they have a homestay where you can pay 1,000 baht for an entire family where they teach you how to paint. So let's go check it out and test my hands on some Benjarong painting. So Benjarong painting was brought in by King Rama II. He went to China and he was very impressed by the porcelain work that they have in China. He's the artist of all them kings to bring this art form into Thailand.
For generations, the 5 resident families of Don Kaidi have perfected the art of Benjarong, and Khun Arai, the village head, was happy to show me some of their best works.
So each one of the 5 houses has their own unique design and styles that come out from the house. So for Khun Urai, her style is one of the more traditional ones that came from 200 years ago. Whereas if you walk down this aisle, you can see many different kinds of styles. So which one is the most expensive? So each piece of this costs 250,000 baht. It takes 6 months to make. There's so many processes to go through, and they use so much gold in this. More gold than paint, 250,000.
After a tour of their stunning gallery, I decided to give Benjarong painting a try.
So there are 5 colours in Benjarong painting: black, red, yellow, green and pink. So today we have 7 colours, but the Thai representative colours on a ceramic painting, they use only 5. Okay, so once I'm done with filling out the designs, the lines will be filled out with gold leaf before they put it in the oven and fire everything in to set it in place. This is one of the complete pieces. 400 baht for this. The class, the painting, oven firing, and they even send it to your house. They put your name on it too. It's not mine, so. See you again, Khun Bye.
Bye. Art is an essential part of Thailand. Whether you're a creator or consumer, art evokes joy. I journeyed to Baan Sillapin in Hua Hin, where a different artistic experience awaits.
We are artist village. a big family. I'm the owner. My husband, we love to paint and do some art. We have a workshop for everybody to have fun.
Baan Sillapin is home to a collective of 30 artists who create and exhibit their works here. Every corner of this enclave is full of creative energy, a treat for the senses.
ใส่ดีเทลแล้วก็ไม่มีไง
You want to have your painting like this?
I love myself, but I don't love myself too much.
After touring the artist studios, Khun took me to see the pièce de résistance of Baan Sillapin, a masterpiece by her husband, Khun Sai.
So the pink one, this is about circle life, grow and then die.
I love the color, it's so vivid.
This is my spade, my own.
Okay.
My own spade.
So you teach them how to paint?
This is not an art school, no teaching,
Yeah.
but more than teaching. I try to support. Look at that.
Mine with nothing inside.
I love this.
No trip to Baan Sillapin is complete without creating a masterpiece of your own at Khun art yard. German artist Joseph Beuys famously said, "Everyone is an artist, and Baan Sillapin is the playground where everyone can explore the joy of art." Renewed with energy, I bid Khun goodbye and ready myself for one more try at shellfish hunting.
We're here at Baan Khunsai to go for some cockle huntings. So we're going to take a boat out 5 minutes and we're going to surf on the mud, try to catch some cockles. Oh wait, the boat here is there. Oh my goodness, if you guys come here, it's really hot. I wish you can smell this here, it really smells like sea hum. Flavorful. I don't want to stand behind the boat now. I've got socks and gloves. This whole stretch is 27 kilometers long. It's a huge space to cover so much cockles. Okay, so I go? Very slow. I don't understand how cheap cockles can get because this is no joke, man. Just basically rummaging through a whole marsh, pulling myself along the way, feeling for what I got. Look at that. Oh! Hey! I found one! A mud in my mouth. See hum. Beep, beep. This might actually be good for you, the skin. Why you pay money for mud spa? This is mud spa. And you get a workout, and you get seafood all in one. But there are a lot of shells in here. Oh crap.
Thankfully, I had much more success this time. A basket full of cockles and clams, just enough to feed the crew. We head back ashore where a delightful lunch awaits.
Alright, so we are here after hunting for cockles and some clams at Baen. We are gonna have these cooked in several different styles. Then when we came in here, I saw a bowl of noodles. It looks so good. I think I'm gonna have a bowl of noodles as well. So I'm just gonna leave ourselves into the good hands of the auntie and we're gonna get fed really well. Table full once again. Let's go for this. It's spicy. This is really fresh. The clams are just so sweet. It's cooked just right, so easy to chew. Okay, I'm gonna try these cockles that I picked. So they just lightly blanched it with some water. And it doesn't have the fishy taste at all. This might be the first time I'm tasting a cockle that's that fresh. Oh, this noodles, I wanted to try it so badly when I came here. Really light, really refreshing. Great for lunch, but I think it could use a bit more spice. You can go wild, be creative. So I'm just gonna try it with my additional chili powder.
Oh yeah.
It's the spot. Coming here has been such a great experience. I'm so thankful for it. I came right here to the fishermen to hunt cockles with them and to dig for clams with them. You know, you can never get this experience back at home in Singapore. You gotta come out and you gotta travel out and you gotta be spending time with people here and to really feel the culture that, you know, they want to share so much with us. When I come in here with 2 huge cameras in front of me, they just automatically open their arms out and open the gates of what they want to share through the food, through the language, through the trade of their life, through what they do from morning to night. I'm just overwhelmed with thankfulness right now.